Hey guys, what's going on? This is MTD PHP here with a video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a completely customizable and amazing looking PHP JQuery chat room with coding. Yeah. So I've done this a lot of times, and yeah, it's actually pretty simple. So we are going to use, oh no, I haven't made the third page. So we are going to use 3 pages. One is your index page, where I've already included my main, and and I'm really quickly going to go and make it include JQuery. And our main.js is where we're going to have it like updating the the chat box, and I can close that. And the chat room listener is where we actually put the code to update the chat box. So I'm gonna go fix a couple of things, make the box, and yeah, I'll be back with you when I finish that. Alright, so I have finished making my little area here. I did in fact include Bootstrap because it helped me get this in line, because I wanted it in line on the bottom. So now we need to start making, we're going to set up our includes. Now these really help with getting data from databases, and I have a GitHub repository with them, and I'll put a link to that in the description. But let's put those in there, and yeah, alright, so what we want to do is make a function in our JavaScript, get chat. Let's also have a variable in here called ID for getting what div we want to put it in. Speaking of ID, I want to do ID equals chat. Wait, no. Chat room. Okay. So we want to do $.ajax. Wait. Here, 1 second. I need to remember what I have done, and I'll be back with you when I remember. Alright, so I guess it is $.ajax, even though that's not saying it correctly. So, do a function, bam. What? Here, give me a second. Okay, so it turns out it's just the curly brackets. I am not in this today. URL and chat room listener.php. And let's see here. So that's all we need for there, but we do done function data, and I want to do assign that, I think, unless it's, no, it's this, and then that id dot html data. So this is going to say alright, run this file, and whatever we get return, make this into whatever that is. So let's just come in here and do hi. So now in here we want to make a new script and set interval, and we do what was it called, get chat compass 1000, so that's in milliseconds, and the ID is Chatroom. So now what this should do is, after a second, of course it's not, so let's just try doing an alert test. I'll do some messing around and tell you if I get it working. So I found out the error. It was that I wasn't in fact including JQuery, which I actually think I need to put up here for most of the, or at least some of the Bootstrap to work. But I finally got it working, and the cool thing is, if you do something like this and save it, as you will be able to see, it automatically updates. So I think that's a cool little thing that's there. But let's get on to some actual coding. By the way, it's the you make the initial, run it, and then done is actually what it should be. Just to set the HTML of the ID to whatever the message is. I'll redo this in a later video if you want me to. But for the time being, I'm going to say I'm going to includes / main.inc.php, and off camera I'm about to go and configure it, because right now it's not configured correctly, but I'll go configure it right now and be back with you when I finish that. Alright, so I have it configured, as you can see here. I can't save it because it's already saved, and I'm including it, and I'm not getting any errors. So I'm going to do a $select, so make the variable select, $db, which is the class select, which is the method we use to select stuff from the database, and do your query select star from, I think let's see, what did I call it? Chat where date equals and I'm gonna do that. I am going to, okay, so how I have the database set up, or the table at least, is ID in the first column, chat in the second, where we're going to not just have a whole bunch of columns with chat in it, but actually serialize it, which I'll tell you more about that later, and date. So I'll go find out how to get the date, because I don't know. I just don't know. So I'll see then. Alright, I think I found the way to get a date, so I'm gonna do $db dash MySQL safe $today, and this will get the chat from today. There will only be one because of the way that we set it up. Yeah. So if $select doesn't equal null, so basically we're saying if there is no chat for today, then do this, otherwise do this. So if there's no chat today, say there is no chat for today. How about you start some? So if we come here, there's no chat for today. How about you start some? So, but here we do $chat equals unserialize $select 0. This is the column or row. This is the row that you want. Chat. So that unserializes the chat, and for each $chat as $K, that's not $K, $L, echo, colon space. I'm going to say $L, name. We might change this later, but I for the time being, message. Yeah. Alright. So that's that for the time being. Now we want to do function send chat, and we don't need any arguments for that, but I'm gonna take a quick look at this to see how it works. Okay, so we make a variable, make the chat document dot get element by ID, and since my chat form things ID is chat, I can just do chat right here, and then name, same thing but name, document dot get element by ID, and I think it's called name. ID equals name, yeah. So name, and we want to make another variable. That's the form data chat comma name. So now we make another Ajax connection. So $.Ajax and then make an array URL, same place, chat room listener.php. One more quick look. Okay, type colon post or post and data. We want to do form data. Oops. By the way, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, I'll go more in depth, and if I'm skipping too much stuff, yeah, I'll go more in depth with this. So now in here we need to do an if set $_post name. So if it is set and $_post name does not equal nothing. Otherwise, do this. Just do a quick format. So now we do this when if you actually did type something in. So Control C, Control V. Okay, so why we did that is so if there is chat today, we're going to actually update it instead of doing a just inserting it. But we are just going to insert it. So $in, well, we can just do $db insert table name, so chat, and then our array. In this we do chat, and then I think it's just $_post chat, and then name. Wait, no. Okay. I just realized how we're supposed to do this. So 0 array. So it's an array inside of an array. Yeah, I know we need to know. So and then we do chat here. And then name is name. So from what I am seeing, it should insert this if nothing's already there. So now in here, on our button, we need to do on click, I think, return false. Comment this out. Now it's commenting the entire thing out, so just do that. And now if we reload this, it doesn't do anything. Perfect. So test name cheese. As you can see, we're not getting any output, so I'm going to do .done function data alert data, and so test name cheese. So, yes. Okay, so the reason that nothing's happening is because we're not actually calling the function. So the function is send chat. So send chat. I was actually having the same error a while back. And I was about to make a Stack Overflow post on it. And it's still not doing anything. Which is strange. Chat name. So it's over post. Let's see. Right here, this is just getting the kill it for now. He's dead, Jim. Well, I'm not Jim. This needs to be value instead of just that, because it's getting the element itself if you just do it. So we can do a reload, test message cheese, and we get a debug error. Now I'm going to skim through this and check what I did wrong. Connection time. So, well, okay, there is something wrong with, I know what we did. Wait. We need to serialize this, because then it's a string, so that it can actually insert it into the table. So hopefully we can do that. No, we need to reload again. Test message name cheese. Okay, we're still getting an error. Give me a second. Okay, so it's saying that it could not update chat as variable supplied must be an array. So I think I know what we need to do actually. Instead of having that there, I believe we put it there. Maybe. If I insert it, I see. So we can have this right there, although we need to do array that and set the chat equal to that, and comma enter date equal to $today. $today. Alright, now does that work? No. Alright, so I'm gonna go debug the Okay, I'm gonna go debug the error, get back with you when I fix it. Alright, so I have gotten it to work. It turns out, I needed to do the MySQL safe on this, and I also needed to change the date time to something different than I actually had it as. Yeah. Alright, so we want to update the message if we have it. Oh, also, by the way, I want to do array_reverse. So we turn it around. We flip it so that it comes up with the latest messages on top. Alright, so $chat equals, just do this because I really am not in the mood to rewrite that. Again, if you're not understanding this stuff, I will do a more in-depth video if you ask me. Alright, so now that we have the chat, we want to make $chat count $chat. No, we can just do like that. Array, and then make chat equal to $_post chat, and then name equal to $_post name. So now we have the new updated chat. Now I forget how you do the inputs to the update, so I'm going to go check that, and I'll be back with you when I finish. Alright, so I think I know what it's talking about. So I want to do $db insert, update, I want to update chat, I want to make wait, here, let me think about this, and then where, date equals $db MySQL safe $today. I know I might not be doing this as efficient as possible, but if you ask me to do a more in-depth tutorial, I will explain like everything and hopefully make a better way. So we want it to update chat. So array chat is equal to serialize chat. Yeah, that's actually exactly what we wanted. So let's see if this works. Test message number 2. Uh-oh. I know what we need to do. Wait. This one. DB dash MySQL safe. There. And why that should work. Test number 2. Ah, I see. And we should do this maybe. Oops. Well, okay. So test number 3. Cheese. Also, you can, of course, like change a lot of this so that you don't type in the username and so on and so forth. But also, so now we don't need to do that, and this we can do. We can set it. So make this equal to nothing. And that's all we want to do, I think. This is test number 4. Name, cheese. Yep, as you can see, it cleared this and updated it. So, yeah, this is your super epic, super customizable, super amazing chat room with only 3 pages. Your index page where you actually have the display, your JavaScript where you set up the JavaScript Ajax for it, and your PHP file that reads to you your messages. So yeah, I will have a couple of links in the description. One for these includes, one for 3 for the pages that I have, and I think that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I hope you make some chat rooms.